channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding rationalizing a one-term denominator. So first example is 10 divided by square root of 6. Answer is 10 divided by root 6. So we need to multiply and divide it by the same thing, root 6 and root 6. It's going to be 10 root 6 divided by root 6 times root 6 is going to be 6. Then you reduce it, it's going to be 5 root 6 divided by 3. Next example, you have 8 over root 3. Answer is 8 over root 3 times root 3 divided by root 3. It's going to be 8 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 is just 3. Next example is 6 over root 7. Root 7. Answer is 6 over root 7. If we multiply it by root 7 and divide it by root 7. So we basically, the ratio has to be 1, otherwise we change the equation. So that's why the numerator and denominator must be the same in order to make it 1. So we have 6 root 7 divided by 7. Next example is 4 over root 5. Answer is 4 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5, which makes it 4 root 5 divided by 5. Next example is 3 over root 13. Answer is 3 over root 13 times root 13 divided by root 13 is going to be 3 root 13 divided by 13. Next example, 10 over root 11. Answer is 10 over root 11 times root 11 divided by root 11, which will be 10 root 11 divided by just 11. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.